Okay, I'm Arnold from firma Mueller Kueps. We are a German-based company. We're coming into to the market. We do specialty tools for automotive car repairs, and we had a few tools that we are really successful with in Europe. We're coming over to the US to do the sales here. I'd like to introduce you or show you some products that we have and tell you about it. One of the first tools that we had in Europe, it's a hub cleaner to clean up the surface from the rim and the hub. And for example here, if you want to clean up the surface between the hub and the wheel, it's really easy to do with this kind of tool. It takes you about 4 till about 10 seconds to do, and you do a proper cleaning there to get a good balanced wheel on the car. Next tool, we have a tool for inner tie rods. It's an inner tie rod tool to get those things off. Sometimes they're really hard because you don't have any grip on the tie rod itself. So we designed a drop forced clamp that you could open very easy, and you could turn it well, and you could put around the tie rod and loosen it. With a wrench or with an extension bar, you could reach it underneath a car and do a real easy job. Then we have a puller actually for wheel bearing rings that's stuck on your hub. They're really hard to grab on because you don't have any grip on it. We designed a kind of a puller with real sharp edges together with a chain. It's really an easy job to grab on the small radius you have here on the ring. You will do it together with a chain. So you mount it, you tighten up the chain, and you pull it off a little bit, then you tighten it up again, and you raise with the 3 arm pullers, you raise the ring very easy. Good tool, perfect tool. Then our last one is our press and pull sleeve kit. It's a kit to press in and press out all kind of round bushings, wheel bearings, silent bearings, everything you're facing underneath a car. You don't have to buy any brand specific set. You could make your own set with this tool. We have 20 sleeves. All sleeves are having steps from 2 millimeters, and every sleeve has a solid side and a step side over there, and that's actually made for, I will show it here. So the solid side and the groove side, we could expand a bushing. Also we are using step discs, pressing discs to fit on them. We have a system on it, number 3 here, number 3 there, will fit on the discs and on the sleeve, and it's perfect centered. In the disc we have a hole where we have our bearing and nut. It will fit in the hole and it is perfect centered. With the bearing we have less friction, so we have all power into a spindle that we are going to use. So I build up here a situation to press in this sleeve or this bushings. We have a sleeve that is the same size, and we have one that is bigger. And if we turn on the nuts, we press it in, or we could press it out. It's really easy to do. You could do it with the spindles that we have, but also you could use a C-clamp or a base frame. It's additional to this kit, and it is fitting on the discs, and it will make the job easier. Especially for joints, you have to use a C-clamp, and you could use the kit as well. So that's probably what we have here in the US. We try to be as universal as possible and make the best quality. We are a German manufacturer. We try to be to reach the best quality and to be as universal as possible. You could go out on our website, Mueller-Kueps.com, to check out our things and the way that you could order our stuff. Thank you very much.
The 2011 Vision High Tech Training and Expo is brought to you by the Automotive Service Association of Missouri and Kansas. For more information on upcoming Vision events, visit us on the web at visionkc.com. We look forward to seeing you at the next Vision High Tech Training and Expo.